If you like eating frog's legs, this is your reminder to make sure they are thoroughly cooked. Because just like any uncooked meat, you're putting yourself at risk of parasites. A woman in Shanghai went to the doctor with some chest pains and a cough. They initially thought it was a rare respiratory disorder, so they gave her some steroids to see if that would help. When the cough persisted, she went to a second doctor to get x-rays of her chest, where they also learned that seafood and frogs were a big part of her diet. And her chest x-rays revealed that her lungs had lesions on them, a condition known as sparginosis. Sparginosis is caused by a tapeworm called Spirometra mansoni. Now, the preferred final hosts for this tapeworms are cats and dogs. But first, the larvae must infect their first intermediate host, which is usually a small crustacean called a copepod. That copepod will later get eaten by a fish or a frog, and then that fish or frog will get eaten by the final host, a dog or a cat. But sometimes they can end up in humans if you're eating raw frog. Humans are not the definitive host of this parasite. We are what is called a paratenic host, which is a host species that the parasite can survive in, but cannot finish its life cycle. And the larvae of this tapeworm can end up in a variety of places throughout the human body. Depending on where the larvae end up, infections can range from very severe, like in the lungs, to almost non-existent. You may not even know you have them. But honestly, who wouldn't want this little guy hanging out in their bodies?